So some breaking news just moments ago, the United States Supreme Court granted the Trump administration another win. It's not a complete win, but a win nonetheless. It lifted a trial court's injunction that had stopped the administration from cutting the Department of Education's workforce in half. I am Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people get fired or afraid they might be. This is another instance in which the Trump administration has taken advantage of the court's shadow docket, bringing cases before it that need to be decided quickly. These are decided without oral argument or with full briefing and with a summary opinion. In this case, 3 of the liberal justices dissented, as is all the cases on the shadow docket. This is not the end of it. So what the court said is that the injunction would be lifted. The administration could continue with its efforts to cut the workforce drastically in the Department of Education. So the underlying issue of whether or not the administration has exceeded the authority granted to it by Congress will proceed, but in a very bad sign for the plaintiffs in this situation. In order to lift the injunction, the court had to find that the plaintiffs had a unlikely to win on the merits under the underlying case. So this case will proceed through the courts. It will ultimately decided by the Supreme Court, but it's certainly shown its hand in a 6-3 opinion that it is likely to find that the Trump administration has this authority. This is a significant redrawing of the lines of separation of powers, giving the executive a lot more authority over these institutions and moving one step closer to what the Trump administration wants, which is the unitary executive, which sounds in my mind a lot like a king. But stay tuned. I'm sure there will be more.